Here are all the things I love about System.io. And if you don't yet have a System.io account, you can sign up completely for free using the link in the description below this video. First thing I love about System is its clean interface. You can see the menu navigation has very clear indications of what each menu option entails. You can see each menu option indicates clearly all of the options that are nested underneath, and that it has a ton of features that rival more expensive platforms for just a fraction of the cost. First, let's take a look at their CRM and check out how contact records look inside of System. You can see System has a whole bunch of filters on the left-hand side that you can choose to filter out the contacts within your database. They make it super easy to just click and filter. And you can even save your filters to easily segment your list later. Now let's click into our contact record and see what it looks like. System shows you directly at the top whether or not your contact is subscribed. And typically between these two lines, you'll see a line item called source, which will tell you exactly how that contact came to join your list. Inside of System, it'll say source and the name of your lead magnet. It makes it easy for you to review the information about each contact. All of your tags will show up here, highlighting which tags your contact has. And you can see everything from subscriptions to payments, email history, campaigns, tag history, any surveys they've filled out, what courses and communities they have access to, and any automation tasks that are running or workflows that your contact is in. Next, let's check out how easy it is to make a tag. You simply click into tags, create, and name your tag. Click save and your tag will show up here, and you can easily edit it by clicking in the settings or by deleting. You can also see who's received your tag today, yesterday, and how many times your tag has been added to any contacts in your list. You can also see the total number of sales that people having this tag have generated, as well as an average of sales per contact. System just rolled out a pipelines and calendar feature, but I haven't played around with those yet, so we're not going to dive into them today. But I'd imagine they're just as easy to use as the remainder of the features we're going to go over in this video. Under websites, you can create your website, build sales funnels, and launch digital stores. Let's check out the sales funnels feature because that's one of my favorites. Inside of the sales funnel, you can create easy to build funnels, and System walks you step by step, prompting you on what to do one after the other. Once you're inside your funnel, you can see the builder is also super simple. You can see your funnel dashboard, again, has a clean interface, along with a variety of templates to choose just the right one for you. You can even preview a template first to make sure it's the one you want to use before selecting it. Once you've selected your template, you can easily rename your step, customize your URL, and pop into the page to edit it. One of the things I absolutely love about System is how easy their funnel editor is. You can see on the left-hand side, there's a variety of elements to choose from, and all you need to do is simply drag and drop the element you want to add to the page, and there it is. System's landing pages are made up of elements, which are all of the options over here in the left-hand pane. Those elements are organized into rows by choosing how many columns you want in a row here and simply dragging and dropping it onto the page. And your rows are organized into sections, of which you can drag and drop an entirely new section and place it anywhere you want on the page. Editing a section, row, or element is as simple as hovering over it, clicking the gear icon, and adjusting your settings in the left-hand. You can play around with margins, padding, background colors and images, as well as visibility on different devices. Don't like what you added? Simply click the undo button and your page will revert back. Once you're done customizing your page, you simply click save and preview to check out the changes you made. System also has an easy automations rule feature right within each funnel, so you can add things like tags, send emails, subscribe to campaigns, and more. Perhaps one of my favorite features of System is their email marketing. Now, if you're someone who sends broadcasts or newsletters, you're gonna love the ease of use of System's email builders. You simply click to create, type in your subject, your sender name, your email address, and choose whether you'd like to use the visual editor or the classic editor. Once inside your email editor, you can type in a preview, draft your email, adding things like merge fields, formatting your text, adding images, any recent changes. This is perhaps my favorite part though. You can very easily select all contacts on your list by choosing all tags you have created inside of your system, search or type in tags you want to exclude, and very easily save and test your emails or save and schedule. I've been working in email marketing systems for a long time. One of my biggest pet peeves is that when something changes with an email, very often if you've already scheduled it, you need to completely unschedule it to maybe change the tags it was sending to or update the date and time that it was sending. Inside of System, all you need to do is go back into the email, adjust the tags you want to send it to, or reschedule for a later date. In other systems, it can literally take me from 20 minutes to upload a single email. And in System, it usually takes me no more than 5 minutes. Now let's check out campaigns. Campaigns are where you can build out sequence of emails, certain delays based on when someone starts the campaign. So to create a campaign, you simply click Create, name your campaign, choose your sender email address, and you can also include a description. Then you simply click into your campaign and start building out your emails using the visual or classic editor. Then, just like we did with the email broadcast, you can easily type in your subject, your preview, the body of your email, and you can even include attachments. You can save and test or save and publish and choose how long after someone enters this campaign that you want the email to send, as well as the time it should be sent and the days of the week it could be sent. Because we have no other emails in this campaign yet, this will be the first email that's sent. When you exit out, you can simply add your next email, follow the same process, choose the email you just created for this one to send after, and the number of days of delays before activating. And you can view all of your email analytics under the Statistics tab. Another cool feature is System's Workflow Builder, a visual workflow that incorporates different triggers, actions and steps, decisions, and delays. System also makes it super easy to deliver your courses, whether it's a membership, a course, or an online program. The Courses feature allows you to add courses, choose a theme, and easily add content, as well as drip that content out and capture comments by your students so that you can answer their questions and cheer them on. You can easily view your student rosters, update, add new students, and grant different levels of access. Once students are inside your course, you can easily delete them, manage their access, and grant them access to additional courses. System's support team is also just a click away by either searching their help pages, watching their video tutorials, or emailing their team. They also allow you to suggest new features as they're constantly updating the platform to provide new and better features. You can even vote for feature requests that someone else has already submitted by clicking and letting System know how important that feature is to you. Seriously though, I didn't even go through all of the features inside of System, but you can likely already see that it has many of the same features that you can even use easier than some of the most regarded all-in-one marketing platforms out there. And you can get a completely free plan for up to 2,000 contacts and bump up to additional paid plans as you grow. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below this video to grab your completely free plan or one of their other budget-friendly plans with plenty of other features. If you enjoyed this video, drop me a comment, hit subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when the next video goes live. Thanks for watching.